Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is T. I am a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer with a van named VanGo. As you guys have noticed, because I've been getting messages, I have been gone for just a little tad bit. Um, I had to have a procedure done. I had a little tumor removed from my back right here, so I was unable to work, or especially work on the van. Um, but I'm getting back to it little by little, and I am glad that you are here. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to follow me on this journey? It's going to be an adventure, guys. I'm glad to be back. So, today, guys, I thought, what better way for us to come back together? We're going to get down and dirty together. Yep, me and you. Oh, stop it. Guys, I mean cleaning. I can't take y'all nowhere. Anyhow, enough of that joking stuff. We are going to actually clean VanGo out. I plan on doing it a couple of videos back, but I couldn't really do much with everything I had going on. And I needed to give myself, it's been a week yesterday that I had the surgery. I am healing nicely. I have to take it easy. I can't go crazy, but I do want to clean VanGo out. And this weekend, I'll be going and picking up the insulation for the floor and the wood for the frame of the floor. But I'm going to clean VanGo today. We are going to. I also noticed that they have the strap, whatever you call them, which is strapped to. I can't think right now, guys. Um, I noticed about 6 to 8 of those, and I'm gonna have to remove those too. So I'm gonna have to get down and do that as well. Going to remove the wheel covers, and I'm going to clean those. I am going to probably put some sound deadening stuff on those as well, but I think I'm going to put them back on after that. I mean, it could only help with the sound, right? It's not going to hurt anything. The step on the side door has a cover, and I'll show you guys in a bit. I think I'm going to remove that and go ahead and clean all that out as well. And after I lay the floor, I'm not sure if I'll put that back on or not. I like it because it's protective, but I may also build something, to kind of go with the floor and the molding and all that stuff. Haven't decided that yet, but today is the day that VanGo gets a bath because that bitch stank. You hear me? Sorry, got a little excited there. Anyway, I'm going to take you guys in. I'm going to show you around. I'm going to start cleaning first, and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing. There's a bunch of dirt caked up on the sides, and it was used as a cargo van, highway van, just going and coming. So I do have high mileage, but I do have a pretty good van. So aside from the little small problems that I do have to get worked on VanGo, but I'll do that as I build. It's not a big deal. I work from home, so I'm here most of the time anyway. But yeah, we're in my shop right now. I finally got it organized, and I kind of wanted to show you guys um, what I got to work with. So these are my, just little tools and stuff, and I got some shelves back here. This was a mess. If you guys hadn't seen this garage, I mean, you guys would have probably freaked out. And then I built this table here, and I put casters on it. I put my little boxes on there to hold my stuff. And the good thing about this is you lock the wheels, and then you can cart this anywhere. I can move it out, I can move it in, however. It's got the four sides on it. Um, put that on there, else it will roll out. And then I put this little extra, I added this little cubby hole here to kind of hold my miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm going to show you, walk up here. I got my saws out in case I need to cut anything. So yeah, this is what's going on this side over here. Um, I got my people, on YouTube playing on TV. I like to watch you guys too. So this is VanGo, and as you can see, I have a lot to do. The floors are horrendously dirty. I have to figure out how to hide that wire or work around it somehow. I ordered my swivel for that chair, and we're going to have to work on that because of the emergency brake being so close to that chair. We got to bring it down so I can also put it on that. And then this is what I'm talking about, the braces, the little things here that you hook onto. That's what I was talking about. There's a one, two, one, two, three, four. So there's eight of them, guys. There's eight. I'm gonna have to replace that window because if you could see the top part of that is coming off. I didn't realize that until now. So I think I want a window that slides anyway, that has a screen. I'm going to put two small windows here on the back and one over there. So let's get to it, guys. Let's get to cleaning.